Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Headway to MT5 in 2026. So first of all, I want you to open your Google Play Store or App Store. There, you just have to simply search for MT5. When you are able to find the MT5 application, simply download and install it on your device. Now, when you open MT5, you are going to see this type of page in front of you. Here, tap on this plus icon. Now use the search bar on the top. Then you need to simply search for Headway. Now as you can see, we have this server from Headway. So when you tap on this server, you will be landed here on this page. Now here you can either open your real account or you can log in into your existing account associated with your Headway dashboard. So if you want to log in here, simply go to your Headway account. After that, when you log in, go to the settings. There you will find your MT5 login credentials. So you need to copy the login ID and the password from there. Then you need to paste them over here one by one. Afterwards, simply tap on the option of login and you will be able to easily connect your Headway account to MT5. Now, if you want to open a real account here, you can anytime tap on the option of real account. After that, you need to provide these details like your first name, your last name, then your middle name and bunch of other details. Then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to open your real account of Headway in MT5. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.